Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. Prince George Alexander Louis with a net worth of $1 billion. Sculpture made entirely from plastic bottles on one of the beaches of Rio de Janeiro. Mark Zuckerberg purchased all 4 homes surrounding his house in order to ensure his privacy for a total of $30 million. Biologists discover 16 ultra blackfish species that absorb 99.9% of sunlight. This is a ship shipping ships. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 cup of rose water. Freeze it to make ice cubes. Use 1 ice cube daily to get clear skin and reduce dark spots. Death is only the second most common fear among people. The first is now failure. This is the grenadier fish, the animal with the largest eye to head ratio in the world. Can you believe it's just the paint? Walls are straight somewhere in Germany. That little box that man is holding is the nuclear core of Fat Man, the bomb that destroyed Nagasaki. Coal miners coming up a coal mine elevator after a day of work in 1920s Belgium. The world's smallest cat is called Tinker Toy and he is just 2.75 inches 7 cm tall. Women are biologically attracted to guys taller than them because height is associated with the ability to protect and defend. This is the country of Sealand. It has its own government, stamps, passports and even a soccer team. This landscape looks like someone just dropped a green quilted blanket on the earth. No engineering degree, yet they build their house with proper dimension and accuracy. They are nature's engineer. A baby born on a flight from Dubai to Philippines has been gifted 1 million airline miles, which are worth almost $108,000. Mumbai is home to 46,000 millionaires and 28 billionaires. Studies show that for some people, math can actually be physically painful. Thomas Edison invented an electric pen in 1876 that was later adapted to become the first tattoo machine in 1891. Child playing the violin at his teacher's funeral who helped him escape poverty and violence through music. The world's quietest room is 9 decibels, quiet enough to hear your blood flowing. Heartbreaking photo of a crying baby abandoned at Kabul airport. Female elephants have breasts. Unlike most other mammals, a female elephant's mammary glands are located on their rib cage and are quite human-like. In 1958, 2 pilot robots, Tim and Jim Cook, flew an aircraft for more than 2 months without landing. Nail biting has been associated with a better functioning immune system because of exposure to germs on a small scale that your body can build antibodies to. The first cell phone took 10 hours to charge, had 30 minutes of battery life, cost $10,000 inflation adjusted. Meet the deadliest cat on the planet, native to southern Africa, the black-footed cat. Meet Yuki, the wolf dog. His DNA testing comes back as 87.5% grey wolf, 8.6 Siberian husky and 3.9 German shepherd. In 2001, a man named R. Batista donated his kidney to his wife suffering from renal failure. China claims its quantum computer can solve the problem in just 70 minutes, which took Google's computer 8 years to solve. A tattoo which covered this missing fingertips. Chemicals used in cigarettes. What was your age when you realized that Apsara and Nataraj pencils are from the same company? Can you survive with 900 rupees per month? More than 20% Indians survive with an income of 30 rupees per day. In 2015, BMW released an advertisement for April Fool's Day. It said, "Come with any old car and get a brand new BMW." He made a pact with his best friend that whoever dies first, the other had to wear a dress to the funeral. Young Russian mother seen delivering food on subway with her 2 kids. The loneliest tree in the world was hit by a drunk driver. Once, a woman tried to commit suicide by jumping off the Empire State Building. An incredibly rare glass octopus was seen in the Central Pacific Ocean. Amazon will pay you up to $1,000 if you receive defective products. It is a hemlock water dropwort plant and is very poisonous. Thanks for watching.